Meaning of Dove Cottage.
Dove Cottage.
Dove Cottage.
Dove Cottage.
Dove Cottage. Dove Cottage is the name of a house in the Lake District of England that was once home to the famous Romantic poet, William Wordsworth. The cottage was built in the early 19th century and has since been converted into a museum dedicated to Wordsworth and his work. Visitors can explore the cottage and its beautiful gardens, as well as learn about the life and times of Wordsworth and other Romantic poets. It is a popular tourist attraction for those interested in literature and history, and offers a glimpse into a bygone era of English culture.